What's up, everybody? All right. They're a little deeper today, it would seem. About a 2-pounder, would say. Got the skunk off the boat with this nice 2-pounder. Let's get him back. Bloop. Oh, got a bigger follower on that one. Had like a 3-pounder follow it out on that one. All right, we're out here today again, locked with Alex.
Good morning, folks. Do this. Another beautiful day out here at Loch Lomond. Beautiful Sunday morning. It'll be a good day.
Indeed. Indeed. We're gonna be the first to our spot. We're the first boat off the dock. See what we can do. Let's get fishing. Today the plan is primarily throw swim baits, but you know, we brought a couple of finesse rods just in case. We were out here on Friday, which you'll see a clip from, caught one fish, had a couple of followers, and that's about it. But it's a hot weekend. Good chance that the heat got some of these fish up and moving, but we'll see. Get a slow reverse going here. Alex will start off with the swim. I'm gonna throw this jerk bait a few times, see what happens. Got one.
Nice.
Nope. Little Jimmy.
Quick release.
Quick release.
Jimmy on the quick release.
I had one chase it.
Saw it?
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I see a bunch of 1.5 pounders or just 1/2 pounders following me back right now. Big one. He saw the boat and he spooked. Had a nice one follow me back. Freaking followers, dude. Get you all excited.
There's one right there.
The big one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wolf pack of 1-pounder just followed me back. Maybe that's what's going on over there.
Where over there?
They just followed me from that corner back to here. There's like 10 of them, all about 1 pound. What a bunch of silly geese. What a bunch of goofy goobers. All right, well, I lost a Jimmy so far. God. Skirt. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, sorry about that.
A little matrix.
Yeah, I've caught a lot of fish off of this spot before, but
By the time of day though.
yeah. Definitely want to be, I think, where there's
Shade.
yeah. Got to do some junk fishing to figure out what they're biting on, man. Yeah, it's time to. There's one more spot where the crank might come in, but it's our next stop after this one. We can fish this entire cove, just cover water until we find a spot. I mean, the end, I might just whip out the frickin' spinnerbait too. I've thrown the spinnerbait so much this year. I'm trying everything besides it, but yeah, it works. All right, standing back up. Oh. Yeah, there's wood right here. I like it when I see tree stumps. Got a few small followers. Nice. He tried to bite it. What a guy. What a guy.
That chatterbait. That one moves nice.
Mm-hmm.
That one torqued.
Oh. Ah, dang it. I got a bite finally, but damn. I don't know if it was big or not. Felt okay. Nice.
It's coming up.
Let's go, dude.
Bam! That was a quick release. Oh, you can just toss him back.
Bink. Bonk.
Sorry about that, buddy. What do you mean that, buddy?
On the chatter?
On the chatterbait.
Nice.
Right in front of that thing.
Maybe it is a freaking chatterbait, spinnerbait move. I was just trying to avoid the same thing that I've been doing all year, but sometimes you can't. If it works, right?
That's why you train one thing. I gotta try something else, you know? What do you have on right now?
Just a jig.
Oh, okay.
But
See, I had the jig and I just switched it because I wasn't fitting. I don't know.
yeah, I think I should tie a spinner on to my other. So I'm gonna do that. Something small. Itsy bitsy tried to eat it. Little guy shook off. Yeah. Throwing jigs at these reeds from a little distance last year was a pretty good strategy, so I think I'll try that here in a second.
Nice. Nice one there. That's alright.
Nice. Biggest of the day so far.
Let's get it, Gary. Just keep working these moves, man, I guess.
Yeah, like right as I was saying, like in front of these reeds is where we had luck last year. You caught that one.
Nice, about a pound and a half, huh? Say.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pushing a little over a pound and a half, maybe. Just slightly. Just a little bit.
Ooh, I got him good.
I might put my punch setup back on. There we go, finally.
Nice. Right where you thought he was gonna be, huh?
Mm-hmm. And I knew he was gonna be there.
Yeah.
Stinky. Thanks, Jim Bob. Have a good life. Yeah. You've got 2 fish on the chatter. I've got 2 fish on the spinner. They're on like the moving. They're on like moving blade baits. Underspin probably would work too.
Ooh, that area over there.
Got one. It's a little better. Okay, that one we can wait. Alright, you know what? You flop all you want. I'm turning off this boat motor. Ooh, he's gonna break one of my rods. And the motor's still going? What the hell am I doing, dude? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing.
Hey.
It's a 2.7.
I'll see 2.5.
Okay. Throwing the spinner. Hot dude right here. See him. He's probably about 2.7. We're gonna find out here in a second. Very spunky bass. Don't know if y'all can see, but 2.5.
2.5. Nice.
Yeah.
What did I say? 2.65?
Yeah. We both overestimated
We're
a little
good.
bit.
Yeah,
It's
no.
been a day. All right, let's get him back in the water.
Whoa.
There he goes. All right. Finally, something of
Wait till we get a bigger one.
something for us today. It's like if the lure costs more money, the fish should like it more, you know? That's what I think. All right, I'm gonna try something not smart. It worked. Now, if only it had caught a fish, that would have been pretty cool. I didn't realize that that was your chatter down there. I was like, the hell is that thing?
Gotta catch it.
Freshwater jellyfish. Oh, eat it. Eat it. Yes. I watched that too.
About it, baby. Woo, let's go.
We're about to. Hold on, don't step down. Oh, you good? Sorry, we were just about to hit the freaking tree.
You're good. You got him? You got him?
Yep. About to hit the freaking tree, dude. Let's go, dude. Yep. About a pound. Call it a pound. Slightly under 2. Actually, no, this is for sure. It's like a 1.6. We'll call it a safe 1.5. Yep. All right, back he goes. Whoop. Spinnerbait saving the day.
Spinnerbait, baby. Gibbity bob bob. Gibbity bob bob.
Jibbity bop. Baby bop. Hibbity hop. And here on the right.
That's Garyzilla fishing right there.
Okay, let me try this here.
Yeah.
Look at this.
You're gonna do it that way, huh?
No, past this
okay.
point right here.
Oh, it's deep over here?
Yeah.
Deep.
Ah, shit. This is not what you want to see, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
It's a good one. Get the net.
Bring it right up.
Oh, it's not that good. It's just pretty good. Nope. Flat. Put it flat. Put the net flat. Yep. and then scoop straight up. There you go. That's how you net. Never go sideways.
Oh, like scoop it?
Yeah, never do that, because that's how because they'll swim in and then swim right out.
Oh, okay.
And then
I think last time that's what happened.
Yeah.
I put it and that motherfucker went that way and then it started going this way.
Yeah.
Going this way, going that way.
Another maybe 2-ish. Yep. Ooh, he splashed me back again.
Got me wet.
He used the tail whip attack on us. It's like Pokemon.
Down. Coming down.
Okay. This one's better. Just flat, flat, flat. I'll fight it till I bring it to you. Oh,
Nice. That right?
hell yeah, dude. Woo. Yep. There we go. That one's pretty fat, dude. It's not long, but he's fat. She's thick. She's thick. All right, you're good. We didn't blind you. Came up right underneath her eye socket. Short, but fat. All right, y'all. Another jigfish. Short, but fat. Very chunky. Let's see how much she weighs. She's been eating pretty good, no lie. Yeah, 2.6. 2.6. Fat belly. Back she goes. All right.
Yeah, baby.
I'm using a half ounce jig. This one is sort of like bluegill colors, natural with blue, and then I'm using the green pumpkin purple trailer. Jimmy, you did that to yourself. Punch fish. About 1 pound.
Lots of bluegill activity right there. Look at that.
Lots of bluegill.
Yeah, bluegill, right? The one with the blue tail.
Yeah.
The green ones are the sunfish, right? Is that one?
Yeah. Oh no, Jimmy!
See you, chump.
Quick release. Yep. Yep. Jimmy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey.
Jimmy, woohoo! Can you shake off? Will you shake off?
When you want them to shake off, they don't shake off.
Shake off. Shake off, Jimmy. Shake. Okay. Okay, I guess you're not gonna shake off. Okay. Bingus. Bloop. All right, y'all, that's gonna call it for today at Lock. So lost one on the jerk. The crank wall wasn't working out, so we made a change. We got some jig fish, some chatterbait fish. There's a little chatter spinner pattern and jig pattern. hit some punch fish. But yeah, another day out here with Alex.
Another beautiful day out here. We were trying to find them. We found them. We gave them a buffet. They ended up biting on what? Chatterbaits, spinner, anything with the spinner on it.
Yep.
Pretty much.
If you've been liking these videos, check out the other ones. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time. Peace.
Peace out.